Now that we've looked at setting up budgets, let's go back to my favourite report, the income and expense report, to see what our data is telling us. To keep things simple, here's where we are in your onboarding journey. Number 6, reports you'll actually use. The income and expense report is where you see the big picture. Budget versus actual, spending and income. It's your financial dashboard for spotting trends and making decisions. Navigate to Reports, Income and Expense Report. Choose a time range. Rolling quarter, the last 3 months, or last quarter, previous calendar quarter. I usually start with a rolling quarter. It gives a great snapshot of recent activity. But if you want to align with calendar months, last quarter works well too. Layout. Left column equals budgeted, middle equals actual, right equals difference. The difference from left to right between budgeted and actual. Start at the top line. Is your budget total in surplus or deficit? Same for actuals. Brackets means negative. You've spent more than you've earned. Sorting and spotting issues. Turn off nest categories. Sort by difference. Look for red highlighted rows. Red means overspending or under-earning, but caution, red also might mean that no budget was set yet. Green means you've underspent or earned more than budgeted. Red means overspending or under-earning. Go through line by line and ask, do I need to adjust the budget? Was there a one-off? Will this pattern continue? Customization tips. Hide irrelevant categories, e.g. mortgage accounts, so you'll only see the actual payment in your data. Save reports for reoccurring reviews. Toggle green arrows when you have nest category selected for subcategory views. This report is a goldmine. The more familiar you get with it, the more confident you'll be in making financial decisions. Thank you for watching the 6-part onboarding series. By now, you should have a functioning PocketSmith setup, know how to keep your transactions tidy, understand what your money is really doing, have your first personalised budget, know how to check progress and improve over time. Next steps, dive into one or more of my courses, forecasting and deeper reporting, or reach out for one-on-one support.